After a gap of 2 years due to the pandemic, the Durga Puja this year, which had started on the 2nd of October, has been celebrated in all earnestness and with full fervour. Hindu devotees and the faithful gathered together in puja pandals across the state, where prayers were offered to Ma Durga, the goddess who symbolises the triumph of good over evil. Apart from those of the Hindu faith, participation in the festival of state leaders and others was also witnessed. As a relief to the pressures of daily life, public leaders mingled with the crowd and danced their stress away by moving to the rhythm of the dhak or the drum and the beats of the dandiya. The gestures not only added to the celebration but are also a symbol of secularism amongst the citizens of the state and the entire country in general. Let's watch the enthusiasm of our leaders through some of the videos that have gone viral recently in social media.
Madam, come this way. One of this side, you can do this. What are the fruits, ma'am?
चलो मेरे साथ तो ठीक है तो सभी को पूजा आप लोग एंजॉय कीजिए ठीक है थैंक यू बहुत अच्छा लगा चलो भाई